doesn't matter who we put in there to be the next head of the future puppet show. It's what's lying beneath that, which is the communications network, the smart network, the 5G grid.
Archons in their prime form are basically energy, awareness, very distorted awareness. They have a great ability to manipulate and create false realities that the target thinks is real. They're just projections into this reality that we see. The human mind, perception, human behavior being taken over by technology. And what it's doing is piggybacking how reality actually works in terms of the way we decode reality, mirror the way reality works, but actually override it. And the transhumanist agenda is to get technology into the human form so that it gets pulled further from its true infinite self and its ability to perceive beyond this reality.
There's something I've termed called biodigital social programming. Bio stands for your biology. Everything that makes up your physical hardware. Digital stands for your neural networks, your nervous system, your digital self. Social is your social network, your social media, or your emotions. The entire human race can fall under biodigital social programming on the 5G network. 5G network is not built for human beings. It is built for machines. It is built to mobilize drones, machines, cybernetics, bioengineering, including Elon Musk's Neuralink that is meant to chip you within your head so you can connect to the 5G network. These smartphones and these 5G systems have proximity sensors. When they connect with your nervous system, when they connect with your neural networks, they're extracting your data and sending it back to Google. Google is giving it to the Google AI, which is using it for the quantum technology to create an artificial superintelligence that will be beyond the control of every human being on the planet. Any country or nation state on the planet. It can break through different dimensions by using certain biofields. Every human being has an electrical field. Every human being has a biodigital field. As you're engaging with the smartphone, you are connecting with the smartphone's digital field, electrical field. Biodigital social programming. It's a system that alters your brain chemistry. And these proximity sensors attach the digital electrical field of a smartphone to your digital electrical field. The transmission and the data and information from AI coding and AI algorithms that are built on bias or engineered bias by a tech company, a government person, a news company, or something very nefarious that may be hard to believe, can re-hardwire you and reprogram your thoughts through your biology, your self-structure, your digital neural networks. You will lose your free will. You will not even know that the thoughts you're having are stemming from something else.
So they'll put our brains on the internet, and they'll also enable us to enter a virtual reality environment from within the nervous system. So if I want to go in a virtual reality environment, the nanobots will shut down the signals coming from my real eyes and my real skin, create the signals that would be appropriate for the virtual environment, and then it'll feel like I'm in that environment.
It is called the Sentient World Simulation. The program's aim is to be a continuously running, continually updated mirror model of the entire planet, complete with billions of nodes representing every person on the Earth.
The Sentient World Simulation, SWS, went live in 2007, which represents every person on the planet within this computer matrix as a node, and every node is given an avatar, an identifier. And that is real-time 24/7 monitoring of every person on the planet. This is primarily, but not exclusively, facilitated by the adiabatic quantum computers produced by D-Wave Corporation.
The VOD is developing a parallel to planet Earth with billions of individual nodes to reflect every man, woman and child. Deep State has merged the quantum computer with the Sentient World Simulation. And the true reason for all this data collection is to feed it into this AI machine to predict and manipulate the course of humanity.
If we were seeing an awakening, we'd see dumpsters full of smartphones, torn up credit cards, but we're not seeing any of that.